Johnny Tremain, Eragon, the Golden Compass, the Golden Compass, Summer of My German Soldier, My Friend Flicka, White Fang, Watership Down, City of Ember, City of Ember, the Black Stallion, War Horse, War Horse, the Spiderwick Chronicles, Aladdin, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Treasure Island, Island of the Blue Dolphins, and of Green Gables, My Dog Skip, Tom Sawyer, Tuck Everlasting, Tuck Everlasting, To Kill a Mockingbird, To Kill a Mockingbird, A Wrinkle in Time, A Wrinkle in Time, Bridge to Terabithia, Bridge to Terabithia, Holes, Holes, Charlotte's Web, The Diary of Anne Frank, The Wizard of Oz, The Wizard of Oz, The Outsiders, Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.